Hello, and welcome to this screencast on Drupal PM. Drupal PM is a project management tool that you can install as part of your own website or intranet. It allows you to keep track of tasks, record time worked, and translate that work into invoices. In this screencast, I'm going to talk you through the component modules of Drupal PM. You may notice that on installing Drupal PM, that it is not just a single Drupal module. It's actually a collection of several different modules. This means that if you don't need all of the functionality, you don't need to install the parts you don't need. I'm now looking at the project management dashboard. This is the view as an admin user so that I can show you all of the standard components of Drupal PM. Each role can be given permission to access particular elements only, if that's what you need. Let's go through them in turn. Organisations are your way of storing information about clients, or just grouping together projects by stakeholder, finance, marketing and sales perhaps. People allows assignment of work in the other parts to particular individuals. Teams are groups of users. This means that you could, for example, assign a support ticket directly to the entire support department, rather than choosing those people individually. Projects are larger units of work. Here you can record what the work is, who is managing it, and some billing information if you're charging for the work. Tasks are smaller units of work and can be used to deconstruct a project into the steps that need to be taken to reach completion. Tickets are the way that you allow customers or users on your system to record requests, whether that's just a question or a request that will later also lead to a task. Time trackings are the records of time that you have worked and how that relates back to the projects, tasks and tickets that you are involved with. Notes are small documents that can be attached to other Drupal PM components. This allows you to keep some information separately if it needs to be restricted to certain users only. Once you're done with the work, Drupal PM has integrated invoices. You can create invoices for any organisation in the system and bill the work after you've done it. Time is not the only resource that you'll have used to complete your projects. With expenses, you can track any money spent to fulfill the work. Last of all, attributes and configuration enable you to control what's going on in the back end of Drupal PM. We'll cover these separately in a screencast on configuring Drupal PM. So that's all for this screencast, introducing you to the component modules of Drupal PM. You can find more information on Drupal PM at drupalpm.org.